Friends, we have Owen Morgan here. World Legends Tour T20 League happening in Goa. What's your feeling?
Yeah, we're delighted to be here. It's my first time to go to play cricket. I've been here on holiday before and thoroughly enjoyed myself. I like the feeling down here. It's very much a holiday style, leisure feeling. And to come here for cricket is nice. New stadium, lots of legends here playing, enjoying themselves. So we're delighted to see people turn out and cheer all of the teams on. So yeah, it's been good fun.
So you have been credited to transforming England's white ball cricket. So what do you have to say?
Oh, I'm here behind that period of 2015 right through till 2019. There were so many people that played an integral part of the transformation, from backroom staff to players to execs in the office. Everybody was on the same page and doing the right things.
So as a World Cup winning captain, how did you manage pressure?
Pressure here, I think the more you can be exposed to big moments in the game, the more recognisable and familiarity there will be to being in situations like that. That therefore will allow you to learn from being in those situations. I think I've been in a number of back-end stages of a tournament to realise what needs to be done and then hopefully trying to execute what needs to be done.
So according to you, what defines a successful captain?
Here I think there are a number of things that can define a successful captain. One is a change in landscape or dramatic change in mindset and executing that, but two is silverware. People allude to it all the time. You have to win in order to justify being a successful captain. That's why the likes of Test match cricket, sides that go on and win the World Test Championship final, so Temba Bavuma for South Africa, for instance, fantastic leader, not only just because they won, but the transformation they've seen in international cricket, in Test match cricket, has been good.
So T20 World Cup is right around the corner. So what are your top 4 picks?
Top 4 picks are India, England, South Africa, South Africa, and Australia.
Thank you.
Thank you.